Welcome to my Koreshan State Park campground video. We're going to do sites 1 through 21. It's in the title. It'd take a little bit here, but see, we have the campground host on site 1. There you have it. Well, there's no host right now. It's a nice big site. Here's site number 2. Another nice big site. Monster, actually. Site number 3. Got a couple trucks and a fifth wheel. Site number 4 is a big site. Has a adventure van. There's site number 5. Has a Freedom Express. And a couple kayaks. Site number 6. Nice big site. What's over there? Just a path. Okay. There's a path by site number 6. Site number 7. Nice big site. Blacktop. So it's an ADA accessible site also. There's actually quite a few of them. More than they have listed. So the bathhouse and the laundry and the trash is that away. We're up to site number 8. Another monster size site, great big. There's a toy hauler. Site 9. They're home for the holidays on site 10. It's a nice fifth wheeler. Oh, there's another path to the far side of the campground. It's a up in the air tent. Pretty cool. Site 11. Okay, here's site 12. Another big site. Airstream and 2 trucks. Site number 13. Another great big fifth wheel. Site number 14. Site number 15. Another great big site. By every one of them, I think 1 through 15 were monsters. Okay, we're going to skip the tent area at the moment. Only tents. No camper vans. So that's nice. They have 16 through 26. We're going to go 41 to 60 next. Yep, there's a nice community area in there. And there's also a path we're going to be walking down by the river. Okay, we're up to site number 41. See what we think here. Big site for sure. 41's a big one. Everybody seems to be leaving New Year's Day I'm looking at the pedestals. Here's a small tent site. It's a big site though. 42. We got another big one, site 43. Morning.
Morning. Hello.
Looks like my old truck. What do we got? Site 44. Big fifth wheel. There's lots of fifth wheels around. Another big one. That's 45. Another big site. They're all big sites here. Have you seen a small site? Not yet. 46. Another great big one. There's the cut through again. 47. I mean, these are just monster sites. I can't say enough about them. Then the volunteers come down and clean every one of them every day.
When someone leaves.
48. Here's another monster. I like this site. 49, that's a big one. Probably be good for satellite and all. 50 has a Starcraft and a narrow tent. Pretty cool. Yeah, everything's saying New Year's Day. Hello.
Hello.
Nice rockwood on 51.
That's cute. I like the A-frames.
Yeah. Here's a little tent camper. Pretty cool. A big old fifth wheel on 53. He's got a satellite dish and he don't have it out. This is a big site here. 54. We missed the cut through. 55 is vacant. Look how big that site is. They're gonna be here though. There's a flagstaff on 56. In case you just joined us, this is New Year's Eve 2023 and we're touring the Koreshan State Park Campground. We are at site 57. That one's pretty cool. 58, it's a big one. Good morning. 59 has a nice one. And 60 was the last of the Mohicans. Okay. So we're basically back where we started. What do you think of them apples, Crystal?
Yeah.
We're back where we started.
Make applesauce.
One way. Okay. We'll head towards the next campsite, but they're up a little ways.
Nice walk though.
Yeah.
And then there's all these rocks. They must have drug them out of
If you walk down that, it says service vehicles only, but it goes straight to the comfort station. Boat ramps out to the left. So now we're going to go to sites 27 through 40. And we'll even tour the dump station. Won't that be fun? I think what we'll do is go backwards. Then we'll start at 40 and work our way down. That way it won't be quite as boring. Or should I say informative. Won't be quite as informative. Okay. So that's one way. So we're walking proper against the grain. The first site we come to, which is a beauty, is site number 40. She's a beauty.
We're gonna pass the bottles in here.
Here comes the Jaco. Here's site number 39. Good morning. Nice big site. Easy to get in. It's one nice thing I noticed about these campsites. That's what, 39? They got them all angled so you get in them easy instead of having them squared off. There's 38. We like all these. 37. I'll tell you why we like all these. 36. Because when you face south, there's nothing here except clear skies. So 36 has a adventure van. Oh, look at these people. They got a good site here. Site 35 has a Colorado. Has their hang tag. They're not departing until the best day of the year. Site number 34. Another blacktop site. Okay, this one's a little bushier, but still big. 35. Now here's seclusion. You would definitely scrub on a couple trees getting in and out of there. Wouldn't be my first choice. 32. Oh, here's a big one. Wow. 31.
How are you?
Morning.
Are they keeping you busy?
Yes.
You guys are always busy.
Yeah, you do a nice job.
Site 30.
Hi.
Hello.
Look at all the good sites, huh?
Yeah.
Checking them out. Yep. Okay. Ooh, here's a big one. Got to swing wide around the tree. Still make it though. That's a big one, 29.
They're all beautiful.
Yep. Yeah, 28.
They got it dry.
There's a rockwood. Okay, that was it, right? 29 was last. That's one way. There's the recycling center. May as well head this way.
The garbage.
Yep, garbage. Had a dual dump station, but looks like they only have one of them open, which is fine. So all you need is one. It's good access. What do we got through here? Parking for dump station. We have a nice playground.
Yeah, it's a real nice playground.
Oh my gosh, it's a monster. It's a monster. Pavilion. Oh my gosh. The common ground is pretty darn cool. I probably should do another video for the common ground. I think I will.